So in this video, I'm going to show you why you want to place your crypto into USDT Tether on Binance.us for automated trading. And I will also show you how to move your crypto into USDT on Binance.us. So let's first off talk about using USDT Tether as your base. It'll give your automated trading bot flexibility to buy assets when signals trigger and when they sell them, staying in USDT in between trades. An example is if you start with BTC, your bot can't buy more BTC, it can only sell it. But using USDT Tether allows your bot to both buy and sell across hundreds of trading pairs. Now, our automated trading bots are optimized for quote currencies like USDT. You'll encounter fewer compatibility issues. And as a point of interest, you should only move the amount of crypto into USDT on Binance.us that you will trade using your automated trading bot. Now let's talk about how to move your crypto into USDT Tether on Binance.us. So log into your Binance US account. Once you're there, hover over the trade icon and a drop-down will open. Then click on Spot Trading. Now you'll be directed to this page. Look to the far left side of the page. Hover over the pairs, then type in what asset that you're going to sell. Then below, you will see the pair that you're selling. Click on it so it will be highlighted. In this case, it highlights BTC USDT, but it will highlight whatever pair that you are selling. Now on the same page, I want you to look to the far right side and click on the Sell button. Then make sure the price impact bar is slid all the way to the right to max. Then click the Sell button at the bottom. In this example, we're selling BTC and USDT. Now to confirm your order, go back to the left side of the same page. Hover over Trade, then click on Orders. Now you'll be directed to your order page. Then click on Trade History. You now can see the crypto that you just sold, and in this case, it illustrates BTC, or whatever you have sold. And the amount of the USD Tether will show up there as well. Now, as a point of interest, when you sell the max amount of an asset, a very little quantity of it will still be left in your portfolio due to unavailable liquidity. This can often happen with crypto. So any cryptocurrency that is more than $5 should be sold into USDT Tether. Of course, you will have more than $5 of USDT, and that's okay. So now you're ready to connect your automated trading bot to Binance.us. So I want you to go to our website and hover over Resources, then click on Tutorials, then click on How to Connect Your Automated Trading Bot to Binance.us.